In this video, we will learn about Internet policies and how to add Internet policies in MyAryaka. Internet policies are configured to direct traffic flows between segments or zones to the Internet, directly or via cloud connectors. There are two types of Internet policies: route match policies, which are configured to process traffic destined for local segments or DMZs, and route miss policies, configured to process traffic destined for unknown destinations, that is, any destination with a prefix that is not in any of the routing tables on the site. If any traffic flow misses all routing table lookups, it defaults to the route miss policy list. Log into the MyAryaka portal. Make sure you have read-write access. Navigate to the config menu. On the sites page, search for the site where you want to apply Internet policy changes. Navigate to the advanced settings. If the Internet policy option doesn't show, please contact Aryaka support. In this example, we will add a route miss policy. First, click Add New in the Route Miss Policies table. Enter any required details. Select the traffic match rule, which we created in the last video. Select the input zone. Select the operation. Black hole, deny the flow, do not send a message to the sender. Unreachable, deny the flow and send an ICMP unreachable message to the sender. Prohibit, deny the flow and send an ICMP prohibit message to the sender. Forward, forward it to the specific interface, the M1 interface or the M2 interface or the Internet Traffic Control, the healthier of any available ISP links. Select the operation in the rare case that the Aryaka network is unavailable. Click OK. Click the Submit button to send the change request to the Aryaka orchestration system for processing. The change request will be automatically validated and pushed. We now see the requested change in the provisioning status while submitting the changes. After the changes have been pushed to the network, the status will change to the configured state. Thank you for watching the video.